What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another Showcase Sundays. Today we are going to check out this Mazda rx7 Super Treasure Hunt. I found this one Thursday. Second Super I've found in 5 days. Thought that was pretty cool. Never thought I'd find another one so quickly after finding that 67 Jeepster Commando, but I did. So I thought I'd share it with you guys today, let you check it out. Another beautiful car. And then I also got a little wheel swap I'll share with you guys. So let me get this one cracked open, throw it up on the turntable, and let's check it out. And here it is. Another beautiful Super. Mazda rx7. Again, I did not buy the mainline counterpart for this casting. For the same reason, I have a Mazda rx7 in my collection, the same exact casting, just different color scheme, different decals. So again, won't be viewing the two side by side like I have with the previous or with the first two that I've shared with you guys. This is my 4th Super now. I guess I'm actually doing pretty good with the Supers. I've only really been hunting the Supers for probably about a year now, so 4 in a year is not too bad, I guess. Alright, I'm going to let you guys check out this wheel swap that I did, and that's going to conclude it. Got the 65 Mustang 2+2 fastback. In the Gulf theme, of course. Took me forever to find this. The cases come out pretty slow around here, but I finally got my hands on one. I had these wheels sitting around for it for a while now, just waiting on it. Another great addition to the Gulf collection. I just really love these Gulf cars that they do. And I always figure, why not make some of them look a little bit better and throw some nice racing tires on them. And this one has Goodyear decals on it, and the tires are Falcon, but where I get the tires from, they don't make Goodyear, so we don't have Goodyear, but that's okay. I still think it looks pretty sweet. It's amazing what a set of Real Rider tires will do for these cars. I did some very minor detailing. You can see the headlights and the fog lights in the front there, and then just the emblem on the rear and the tail lights. Not much to them. Every little bit of detail does help though, so another one that I'm going to enjoy. Alright guys, thanks for checking out another video, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace.